there, all you ambitious entrepreneurs. Have you ever daydreamed about starting a side hustle but thought, ugh, I don't have the money? Well, guess what? You don't need a stack of cash to get started. Let me show you how to start a side hustle with $0. First up, leverage your skills. Yep, that's right. Everyone's good at something. Are you a coding whiz, a people person, or maybe a master of organization? Use your talents. Offer freelance services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. It's like online dating, but for business. Swipe right on those gigs. Next, dive into the world of dropshipping. Oh yeah, you heard me. You don't need to buy stock up front, just set up an online store with Shopify or BigCommerce, find a supplier, and they handle the shipping. It's like having a virtual shop assistant. Now let's talk about content creation. If you can talk, write, or make videos, you're already halfway there. Start a blog, a YouTube channel, or a podcast. Share your passions and monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Think of it as getting paid to be you. Ever heard of print on demand? It's genius. Design cool t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases. Websites like Teespring or Printful print and ship your designs directly to your customers. Minimal risk, maximum creativity. Now don't forget social media. Social media is your best friend. Build your brand on Instagram, TikTok, or LinkedIn. Engage with your audience, provide value, and watch your followers turn into customers. It's like having a digital megaphone. And here's my secret sauce: bartering. Offer your services in exchange for something you need. Need a logo? Trade your copywriting skills with a graphic designer. It's old school, but it works. Lastly, use free resources. The internet is overflowing with free tools. Canva for design, Google Docs for writing, and MailChimp for email marketing. It's like having a free business toolkit at your fingertips. Remember, starting a side hustle doesn't require a trust fund. All it takes is hustle, creativity, and a little elbow grease. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there, start that side hustle, and make your dreams happen. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Catch you later, hustlers!